West Farm. Hopping straight into this one. Actually didn't stick to my rule in terms of entry. We could see we have the dealing range here for British pound, and we came down to 1 SD. We didn't fully tap into it. Here, I wanted to see for the New York session if it was going to go lower into the sell side, but again, I didn't well, upon the executions one time, I didn't enter there because I was waiting to see, how deeper we'll go. And I have a quick story time to tell you all. Pretty funny actually, scary but funny. So I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I sung in real, labored, mellow, you know. So long story short, I ended up eating an edible last night, not knowing it had anything in it, and yeah, I wasn't in the right headspace. I still feel any little effects of it, but boy, last it was scary. I was not expecting to have any edibles in my system, and when that kicked in, that shit had me panicking because I didn't know I was about to get high. Anyways, um, we see steel and range, we traded on into one standard. Actually, no, as in hindsight, now I know why I didn't, why it price didn't go down lower. Again, it's part of the strategy of understanding the weekly range and where we at during the week and what the weekly candle doing, and also in relation to the understanding of how the dollar index, the relation between the dollar index and the pair we trade. So you can see we traded down time of day for the New York session. The reason why we didn't go as low as here, this swing low here is where the London session started its move up, and when it failed to break over these highs, this high here would have traded over this temporary smaller time frame swing high and traded down, because again we in a we price fractal, and we traded inside a range of Wednesday's high and the midpoint equilibrium of Wednesday equilibrium from Wednesday high to low. And again, understanding the weekly range, even though we in a sell program, it's still have opportunities to buy, but you just had to know where the high probability buys will be. You can see that I had shaded this gap here from the underneath the equilibrium. I thought we'd have trade down into it, so you could see why I was waiting to see if we would get down into the full 1 standard deviation or maybe 1.5, but we didn't. And I ended up entering on the silver bullet because I knew, okay, this might be the low. More than likely, this will be the low for Thursday. Again, here we open here. We traded down. Anyway, I wouldn't get into that. That is a part of the whole next strategy. We traded down here for the New York session, sweep, run the sell stops on London, and then we traded up, targeting this high and this high. My original TP was this high here for London because that's the draw. But I took a partial, I entered here at the time of day. Again, the benefit of taking bigger lot sizes, you don't have to get a full TP to be profitable. If you can see, I was able to bring our equity up to 27, so we just under 10%. I just about $350 away, $320 something away from 10%, and we could see today's trade. Today's the fifth here. Traders commission to enter 120 partial, a next partial 131, and then I move my stop loss into break even. I mean into profits, and that is where we end up getting stopped out here in profits. But my target was, I really wanted to take a next partial at Wednesday's high, or maybe just close the entire trade at Wednesday's high, and that would have been me for the day. And again, remember, my strategy is for 40 pips. So if we had got in with the deviation, if we had dropped into the smaller time frame, let me go down to 1 minute. if we was gaining on the 1 minute time frame, we would have suffered a little bit of drawdown, because we would have definitely be in looking for displacement up. Yeah, I would have gained somewhere in this candle here, and 40 pips was my goal. So we'd actually get out right here. See, we'd have been out the trade right here, and actually, if I'd allow it to go TP, we'd have been out the trade here. But me understanding the market that we in for this week, I would have actually moved my take profit higher, and would definitely take our next bigger pass so that take profit. But I'd move into break even here and just move my take profit to my second target and allow the trade to manifest with about or have about 2 lots on, and or maybe a 1.5 lot on or 1 lot, and that'll be our next big addition. So we was able to close off today's trade with just add up everything real quick. Remember, my goal is 1% a day, every day 1%. So 121 plus 131 plus 159, that is 411, and we had a minus $9. So we finished the day with 402, and I got stopped out in profits, so we definitely had room for more upside, and this move gave me a total of 20 pips. So half of my target I was able to capitalize on. If I close the whole trade, 40 pip target with this lot size that I have, if it was at 20 pips, we'd have closed it at $1,000. Look how easy we went from, okay, I only looking to make $100, at least $250 a day, to potentially closing at 1,000, which would have been how much I was looked for to make in a month. And ideally, with our 2 lots, $1,000 a month would have be good. But when you up the lot size, but you're still using, okay, this lot size is up, yes, but we're trading the setup. That is why I increased my lot size. So again, I'm accustomed to bigger lot sizes now. Focus on the setup, not how much money I may lose or may not lose. And pound aiming for the highs, euro would be doing the same. Traded through Thursday. More than likely, euro could go all the way up into here. But we wouldn't course on these moves, because guess what? We got our 400. We got our goal. We moved how much money we wanted for the day. We almost doubled it, actually. We almost made 2% for the day. So all of that is what you had to look at. But this would just be a bonus. When you understand what you're looking for, understand price, you understand where you're at weekly, that is the most important thing. So I just said I'll make this quick video to show, even though I didn't gain at our normal deviation level, I have other tools, and I was able to still capitalize as if we would have gotten in at the bottom here. $409 in a day, that's what we're looking for. I definitely go and smash this next account. This next funding challenge I go and do. I just trade in strictly price and my understanding of what's going on. And just know that when I pass that funding challenge, every strategy you all see me show on the demo is actually trades are actually entering on this funding. So yeah, I don't think I could use the funded account as a example, because I don't know, I might be against some kind of law or something, because I'm not no financial advisor. But just know that I spend a lot of time doing this, confident in these setups. I just showing you what I know. Obviously, you would have to spend your time with it, or whatever strategy you want to use to build up your confidence and understanding how it does look, and then you can take it from there. So I'll end this video here, and the road to getting this 25k account, I even at 30. Actually, even to just double it. I want to get 100k. Well, I even to just double it, see how quick I can double it, and I will document everything with you all. So enjoy, and I'll see what tomorrow brings.